Iodometer to measure change in mixture of gases. Cryometer low temperature. Digometer for electrical conductivity measurement. Sinometer to measure frequency of oscillation of electric waves. Ergometer to measure work done. Hydrometer to type of rain measuring instrument. Sinometer to measure the intensity of blue color of the sky. Durometer to measure hardness of plastic and rubber. Lucimeter to measure light intensity. Bolometer to measure thermal and electromagnetic radiation by measuring change in temperature. Polygraph light detector. Spectroheliograph equipment used to photograph the sun. Megaphone to transfer sound. Geophoto scale to measure wind speed. Helioscope used in observing the sun and sunspot. Voltmeter to measure potential difference. Tachometer to measure rotational speed. Stagnometer to measure surface tension. Venturimeter to measure the flow of fluid at any point in a pipe. Rotameter to measure the rate of flow of fluid in a closed tube. Pitot to measure the rate of fluid flow. Hydrometer measure the relative density of liquid. Sonar detection object underwater. Scuba used by water divers to breathe underwater. Lactometer to measure the purity of density of milk. Thermometer to measuring temperature. Accelerometer to measure acceleration. Ohmmeter to measure resistance in electrical circuit. Microscope to magnify tiny object to see them in large form. Microtome to section paraffin and plastic embedded tissue. Sextant height measuring device. Oscillograph instrument that displays electrical and mechanical vibration on a graph. Crescograph plant growth measuring device. Endoscope instrument that looks at internal part of human body. Photometer instrument that measure the rate of transpiration in plants. Saccharometer to measure sugar concentration. Aerometer the instrument used to determine the weight and density of air and gas. Accumulator used to store electric gases and energy usage when needed. Barograph to measure change in atmospheric pressure. Barometer used to measure air pressure. Altimeter to measure altitude of flying aircraft. Ammeter to measure electric current. Caliper through this inside and outside diameter of cylinder object are measured, and this in the thickness of object is measured. Audiometer to measure person hearing compensating for some sound. Anemometer speed of wind. Audiophone hearing is. Calorimeter longitude of ship. Calorimeter volume and heat produced. Cinematograph film carburetor. Cardiogram heart rate. Dictaphone record one's voice. Cyclotron charge particle. Compass box north south direction. Dynamometer measure power generated. Gruber-Muller counter radiation of radioactive source. Fathometer depth of sea. Cadoscope linear and vertical shape measurement.